Hi everyone and welcome to PHILO. A 25-year-old Malian woman gave birth to 9 babies at a single birth. They are all doing well. In 2021, Halima Cissé from Mali gave birth to the nonuplate in Morocco. Mali's government flew her there for specialist care. Originally, she was told she's carrying 7 babies, but it was later discovered in Morocco that she had 9 babies. She gave birth to 5 girls and 4 boys, and they are all doing well. They have recently celebrated their 4th birthday. Professor Youssef Alawi, medical director of the Anne Bourdieu Clinic in Casablanca, where Miss Cissé gave birth, told the AFP news agency that the case was extremely rare, it is exceptional, and a team of 10 doctors and 25 paramedics had assisted at the delivery of the premature babies. They weighed between 500 grams and 1 kilogram, between 1.1 pounds and 2.2 pounds. According to the BBC, Mrs. Cissé's pregnancy became a subject of fascination in Mali, even when it was thought she was only carrying septuplets. Doctors in the West African nation had been concerned for her welfare and the chances of the baby's survival, so the government intervened. After a 2-week stay in the hospital in Mali's capital, Bamako, the decision was made to move Miss Cissé to Morocco. After 5 weeks at the Moroccan clinic, she gave birth by caesarean section. According to Professor Alawi, Mrs. Cissé was 25 weeks pregnant when admitted, and his team had managed to extend her term to 30 weeks. Her husband, Adjutant Kader Arbi, said, "God gave us these children. He's the one to decide what will happen to them. I'm not worried about that. When the Almighty does something, He knows why," he told BBC Africa. He says the family have been overwhelmed by the support they have received. The babies broke the Guinness World Record for the most children delivered in a single birth to survive. Upon their return back in the Malian capital Bamako, Abdelkader Abi, the father of the nonuplets, thanked the Malian government, which he said had been helping the family financially. "It's a lot of work, but Allah, who gave us this blessing, will help us in their upbringing and taking care of them," he added. Health Minister Dieminatou Sangara said the government will continue to support the family. The girls named Khadija, Fatuma, Hawa, Adama, and Umu, and the boys named Mohammed VI, Umar, El Haji, and Ba. The nonuplets have their older sister, who is 6 years old. "We are proud. It's something exceptional," Abi told Guinness World Records. "The family is known worldwide. It's a great thing." 2 sets of nonuplets have previously been recorded, one born to a woman in Australia in 1971 and another to a woman in Malaysia in 1999. Unfortunately, none of them survived. Thank you all for watching PHILO. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel. We wish you well.